Mawoni meki vadhukanyo maende na kukela yuluondu ngaliko yuli yende na kukosea silikali vena vata wa muika na monola majenzi ona mokwe yumbani ya kulika maunduni maki uteti na kukoswa silikali uoni kuna na nomwe wa tongo ima muika na mono wa kimanisio chama Machakos University Evans Ojala ula wailese kana nongina wasia wake la umwe okewika ni kana udhukumi mosio ukavikia ene ndikuma kui silikali. Daniel Mongela ni watu mbanisia mauvo
ku mawoni meki vodhuni maende na kukilo yulu wa silikali na ukaliko wa ulei ikuli nende na kukulwa kana mutongo wa chama cha ODM Raila Odinga ni waili itikwati ya nangaliko ya ulei kana kuikala silikali ni yu umo wa tongo imamuika Evans elese kana vena vata wanamo amuika majenzi kuende ya na kuikasa kuyumilia ndini wa mena ya kiuteti na kuende ya na ukozo wa silikali undu vatoneka nikenda udhukumi kukusi wa ndini wa miaka ileti ya lite ya utongoi wao yu.
Currently, I would like to urge the young potential leaders named Gen Z that they should step up. In as much as they are making a broad-based government, we should also let these leaders join and make the broad-based government, and let us now the citizens gather up, gang up and form a formidable opposition that no any other person should come across it or joke with it around.
Engini walisekana ukalikuwa uleni walite kuyungamia na kuendea na ukoswa nikienda kukithia enendi alama ende na ubini wo yune ngalama ya mekalene matetheka na maendeo na kutania unyuviwo ulama kunie vindani ya kula.
An opposition that will have to command anything to be done in this country, and it is done at a glance. We are tired of being played around. We are tired of being taken for granted. We are now requesting and commanding for change, and change is here with us, and we are going to bring that change home.
That they should step in the positions in the government and get rid of this decaying government that is nurturing self-interest and individuals who are full of greed, individuals who are exhausting the public funds to nurture their self-interest.
Daniel Mongela, Mutungu TV, kumuvaka themboni kauntini ya Masako.